The Empire of Japan, also known as the Japanese Empire or Imperial Japan, was a historical nation-state and great power that existed from the Meiji Restoration in 1868 until the enactment of the post-World War II 1947 Constitution and subsequent formation of modern Japan. It encompassed a Japanese archipelago and several colonies, protectorates, mandates, and other territories. Under the slogans of Fukoku Kimhei and Shokyusin Kimjim, Japan underwent a period of industrialization and militarization, the Meiji Restoration being the fastest modernization of any country to date. All of these aspects contributed to Japan's emergence as a great power and the establishment of a colonial empire following the First Sino-Japanese War, the Boxer Rebellion, the Russo-Japanese War, and World War I. Economic and political turmoil in the 1920s, including the Great Depression, led to the rise of militarism, nationalism, and totalitarianism as embodied in the Showa statism ideology, eventually culminating in Japan's membership in the Axis alliance and the conquest of a large part of the Asia-Pacific in World War II. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.